is located on a beautiful beachfront in Cancun, featuring elegant facilities with a Mayan flair and unique activities like a seasonal turtle release program. Enjoy an action-packed daily activity program with trivia games and poolside bingo, or work up a sweat with resort-offered Pilates and yoga classes. Off with a refreshing dip in the sprawling pool complex, which features a pool with the waterfall, and unwind at the swim-up bar with your favorite beverage. Head to the poolside barbecue for some delicious Mexican tacos, then head down to the beach to stroll along the pristine white sand shores. Depending on the time of year you visit, you might even get to watch baby turtles make their way to the ocean with the resort's turtle release program. There's plenty to do with beach access, 3 big pools, a 35-person mega whirlpool, daily activities, tennis and basketball courts, a big fitness center, and a spa.